It won't spin. Well, I'm so glad the weekend is finally here. But of course I had things to do. I had nothing to eat. I was reluctant to at first, but I looked around when I was running errands, and everywhere I went, nobody had these fidget spinners. I don't know. Apparently, people are going for these things. I don't know. Apparently, people go nuts for them. Like centerpiece and stuff. So if it's something that'll take his mind off what this thing can do to take his mind off the Xbox, I go ahead and buy it. The prank is that when you push this in, it locks it. And it doesn't spin. See? I spin it. Nothing. It doesn't. It will not spin. It locks. So I'm going to give it to him. But I'm going to have... Oh, when I give it to him. And... just to teach him a little lesson... that maybe he should spend some time. And it locks it. And it doesn't spin, see? Oh. And give him his little fidget spinner. Anyways. Oh, William! Oh, William! William! What? Come here. Why? What? No. Come here. God! Is it God? No. Come here. It's Boo. Oh. Budge. What? Oh. Boo. You're welcome. Oh. What? You can come down and get it, sweetheart. Get it, sweetheart. Sit down.
What?
Here you go.
Okay.
Now. I want you to
Oh no, I saw people spin thing. Oh, no, I saw people spin thing.
William! That was... Oh my goodness.
What the heck? Can't even spin it with my brain. I'm kicking. Oh my god.
Yes!
Wow, there's... Yeah, okay.
William, that thing looks like a fidget spinner. What am I supposed to know about it? What is the problem? Calm down.
Spinning... what the heck? It won't spin...
Show it to the camera.
That's too much to read. Yeah, okay.
Spin it.
You go like this, but it wasn't even... Yeah, okay, no, but it yeah, okay.
Okay.
Get it.
Okay.
What the heck?
Let me see. Oh, that is kind of disgusting. It's spinning.
It's shoving it up your butt? Well, look at it now. That's not even spinning.
William,
it's my
I just touched it and it's...
Swear!
It's like that? Is that what you wanted to do?
What the...
See guys, if at first you fail, dust yourself off and stab it with a knife.
No, William! No, I was just a prank! Stop! William! Stop! William, William, it was a prank! Stop!
God.
I'll get another one and I'll show you it was just a joke! William! It was a joke! It's not your fit. Do you understand what I did? It was a prank, bro! It was a prank. I'm gonna go out. They had them at 7-Eleven. I'm gonna see if they have one. I'm gonna go out. It was a prank! Stop! William! 7-Eleven. I'm gonna see if they have one. They have.
Stupid thing!
Screw what?
My finger! One more time!
Screw what, William? William! William! William!